guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, we are working with Vevor. You guys already know that they are not new to my channel and that your girl has worked with them before. So they was kind enough to send over their collapsible wagon, you guys. So I am excited to actually see this and use this because your girl is in need of a wagon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you guys, actually unbox it and show you guys what all comes inside of this wagon, as well as putting everything together. Alright, y'all, so this how it comes on the inside. I'm just gonna take it out and show you guys all that's inside of the package. So once you take your wagon out of the box, you get the handle and a user manual on how to put everything together. Wheels do come under the bottom of the wagon. So the other one's at the top and these come at the bottom. So all you guys do is press that piece right here, you guys. Snap it, and then the wheel will snap right in place, y'all. Just stick it right up there. See? Locked and ready to go. Easy peasy. So the same thing with the handle, you guys. You just push it right into place and it snaps. See? Easy peasy. Ready to go, yeah. You just pull it up and fold it in, you guys. That's how you close the wagon. Alright, you guys, so this wagon is their collapsible wagon, you guys. This is super essential and easy to use, you guys. This is great for groceries, taking your babies to the park, you guys. I already know that's probably what I mostly will utilize this for. Put two of my babies in it. Yeah, park days, you want to go to the park and put items inside of it as well, you guys. This is really nice and handy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, don't forget to check out Vevor's information in my description box below. I will be sure to have everything there for you guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So y'all, your girl has been gone for forever, okay? And yeah, I had the baby and everything. So yeah, we have a New Year's baby. I want to come and share our baby with you guys. Look at him. Oh my goodness. So if you're wanting to know his name is Carter Royal 8 Kennedy, you guys. So yeah, but yeah, that's his name and I love it so much. Big old baby.
Just tell me what it is. Just tell me. Watch what you can do.
So I made some chicken Alfredo and those Texas Roadhouse rolls, you guys, and they are so good. Okay, so good. Period. But that's what I cooked for dinner tonight. I'm in here baking cookies. I done cooked dinner. We're done. These are the cookies. Alright, you guys, so on this snowy day, your girl is up making some breakfast for the family. So we got some pancakes done. Just making pancake sausage and eggs this morning. So good morning to you guys. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, y'all. Just making some breakfast for the kids. Up going outside playing in the snow. Because we all know the kids want to go out there and throw snow around, which we're going to let them do. And I'm, like I said yesterday, I'm not going out there with them because it's cold. And like, I love snow, but baby, I don't like the cold, if that makes sense. So yeah, no.
Won't take advantage, but I can manage that. Can you picture before this gets out of hand? No more distance, let's just dance. I'm my man. Won't take advantage, but I can manage that. Can you picture before this gets out of hand? No more distance, let's just dance.
Yeah, y'all, it's so cold outside and I just could not sit in the living room. My thighs were so cold. I'm just like, I need to get in bed. Plus, I got my heated blanket in here, and I'm just so good.
Dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. This blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a target. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say
Go, Mina.
I can tell, but I can never write my wrong. I write it down for real.
Snow angels. You know that buggy. That buggy good. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Yeah, I'm so ready to eat. You kids ready to eat. So good, y'all. So hearty. Got the biscuits. Have the biscuits. Everybody eating dinner. Is it good, y'all? Is it good? It's cold. This is the perfect weather for this, you guys. So your girlfriend is tearing this up. Look at that. Alright, y'all, so I am so excited to say that we are almost to 10K subscribers, you guys, which is so exciting. So make sure you guys are subscribing, sharing with your family and friends, because don't forget, y'all, sharing is caring. Also, let me tell you guys that this video is definitely old, you guys. So we're going to go backwards just to go forward. But your girl had to put out this footage, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy it, but just annoy all the Christmas decor. Y'all comment below, let me know how you guys are doing with everything that we have going on in the world and in our lives in general. Y'all let me know how you guys are doing, how y'all are holding up. We are all doing well, just taking it one day at a time.